How to add captions on CapCut. All you need to do is click on import here and then scroll through till you find what you want to import. Once you have, it's going to be added to your media. And now all you need to do is just simply drag this over to the timeline and place it anywhere to begin editing. Now, once you've placed the file, just go ahead and click on the media here and then click on text. Where we have add text, just scroll till you find captions. So in order to add a caption, you could either go with the auto captions or local. So if you're going with auto captions, you could have to select the language you want the captions to be in. So you could just simply click on auto detect. And then for the bilingual options, if you want more than one caption, you could, select another caption if you want. And then identify filler words can also be included, but these are both premium features. Now, in order to do this, you're going to need the Premium Pro of CapCut, but just go ahead and click on generate, and it's now going to go ahead and generate the CapCut for the selected file. Once it has, you can now easily edit the text by just simply cutting out the mistakes, editing the text color, the timing, and much more. Now, if you want to add your captions locally or manually, just head over to Captions here and then click on Import File. So you're going to see SRT, LRC, and ASS as options for your imports. So just click on this option. It's going to take you to your file menu. And now all you need to do is just locate where the file would be and then simply click on Open. And that's it. All right, guys. So once you're done, just click on export and simply export your file in the quality you need, and it's done. All right.